Good morning everyone, welcome to the Savi Trading Morning Update. I'm Rizwan Habib and today is the 24th of March 2011. Firstly, looking at the overnight highlights, out of Portugal we've had the government failing to pass the vote on the austerity measures. This led to the Portuguese Prime Minister resigning and weighed quite heavily on the euro. Further adding to the downside, we've had a report that Moody's may be about to downgrade the Spanish banks. On a positive note for the currency pair, however, we've had ECB's Lipstock stating that the ECB may hike rates in April, and he stated that any sovereign debt issues would not impact policy decisions. Out of the UK, we had the UK budget yesterday, which was received relatively well by Moody's, as they stated that it showed commitment to fiscal consolidation. However, we did have Fitch coming along and saying that the UK government's medium-term growth forecasts, although revised down, were still optimistic. Out of the Middle East, we've had Gaddafi's forces resuming their attack on rebel-held Misrata, and out of the Asias, New Zealand, we've had Q4 GDP coming in at 0.2%, which was as expected, and they avoided a recession. We've had the comments from the finance minister, who sees no impact on from GDP on interest rates or inflation. And finally, looking at China, we've had comments from the People's Bank of China stating that they will increase their use of interest rate as their core policy tools. Remember, they've been using the reserve ratio requirements rather than actual interest rates for the most part so far. Looking at the day ahead, at 8:58, we have the European Flash PMI. This is expected at 58.4 versus 59 previously. 9 a.m. we have Bank of England's Dale speaking, followed by UK retail sales at 9:30, expected at minus 0.5% versus 1.9 previously. And then at 11 a.m. we have Irish GDP. Previously this came in at minus 0.5%, and our forecast showed minus 0.1%. Okay. Next we have US durable good orders at 12:30. These are expected at 1.2% versus 2.7 previously. And finally, we have initial claims at 12:30 as well, coming in at expected at 382,000 versus 385,000. Well, that's it for the day. I hope you have a good day's trading.